sitting here doing some needle points, my embroidery. Isn't that sweet? I got a couple of them. These are nice little kits. Which one is this one? I have that one. Oh, I love this one. That's sweet. My spirit animal is a cow. Love that.
I'm going to be cleaning my room, Mother.
You're not okay, go clean your room. Would you move that box, please, off the table?
Oh, that box.
Maxwell.
I was going to throw that away.
Throw it away, please, hon. This is our little family room here, Maxwell. Thank you.
Yeah.
Daddy needs your help putting those shutters up.
I have motivation to clean my room.
No, hon, you can help Daddy, okay?
But if I don't clean my room now when I have motivation, it's called ADHD cleaning, people.
No.
What?
What? Let's see. Can I make you come closer? Oh, yeah.
Don't do that.
It's called ADHD cleaning, people. So, Maxwell,
What?
Daddy needs help with the shutters.
I need to clean my room. And if I don't take the opportunity when I'm in the mood to clean the room...
Look, you can clean your room on Saturday.
I don't know if I'll have motivation to clean the room on Saturday.
Well, then you make yourself have motivation because Dad needs...
It don't work that way with autism.
No, don't use your autism as an excuse.
I'm not using it as an excuse, it's a fact.
It's a fact. Sometimes good reasons sounds like bad excuses, Maxwell.
No.
Yes. Yes.
I will lose entire motivation if I don't clean my room. Bye-bye.
No, Maxwell.
I know I have to help Dad, but
Please,
I
darling.
gotta clean the room, though.
Okay.
You don't seem too thrilled about it.
No, I do. I said you have time on Saturday. I'm very thrilled that you're motivated to.
If I don't take advantage of the dopamine rush of the motivation to clean the room,
The what?
I will not.
Excuse me. The what rush?
Huh?
The what did you say?
It's the ADHD term.
What is it? What is an ADHD term? What did you say? The dope rush?
The dopamine.
Oh, that's that. Oh, you're having like a hormonal rush in your brain?
Something like that.
Okay. Go clean your room. But when are you going to help Daddy do the shutters?
If and when I clean the room.
No, not if and when. You said you wanted to go do it now.
Well, the thing is, my attention is focused on that.
Oh, focused on what?
On the camera.
Well, this takes 2 seconds of your time. Your room will take how long?
I'll neither confirm or deny how long.
Confirm or deny how long. Is it too bad, your room?
I don't know.
Maxwell, you live in your room. Is your room too bad or too good or too bad?
About the same as I did last time.
Oh, that means
That
means 63 loads of laundry for your mom.
But the thing is, it's significantly less laundry, though.
Oh, okay, because I just did how many
So,
loads of laundry?
I tried to contain the laundry in one area.
Okay, because this is another new outfit you have on.
No, this is not a new outfit. This
Max.
is the indoor outfit, then I had the lawn outfit. What I was doing this morning, and that shirt wasn't clean.
But what? All you did was cut the grass.
Thing is, I don't want grass stains on the indoor outfit.
Were there grass stains?
I don't want grass coming on my
There weren't
clothes.
grass stains, were there, hon?
I don't want flying grass coming.
Okay, what did you do with that outfit?
That's upstairs.
In the hamper?
Is it confirm or deny the reputation?
You can't confirm or deny anything. Go clean your room.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, go ahead.
No, Max, stop. Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dom.
Bye.